Hello guys, today in this video let us see exercise 9.1 question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. The tower is 50 meters high. Find the height of the building. They have said that we have two buildings. One is a building and the other is a tower, and they have given the height of the tower as 50 meters. Let AB be the building and CD be the tower. They've also said that the angle of elevation to the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Angle ADB is 30 degrees. And similarly, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. And they have told to find the height of the building AB. Let AB be H and let BD be X. We have to find AB. Now, in triangle CDB, tan 60 is equal to CD by BD, which is root 3 is equal to 50 by X, which gives us X is equal to 50 by root 3. Let this be 1. In triangle ABD, tan 30 is equal to AB by BD. 1 by root 3 is equal to H by X. Substituting equation 1, X is equal to 50 by root 3, we get 1 by root 3 is equal to H divided by 50 by root 3, which gives us H is equal to 50 by root 3 divided by root 3, which is equal to 50 by 3, which gives us 16 2 by 3 meters. Therefore, height of the building is 16 2 by 3 meters. Thank you. Happy learning.